Creating a Kanban board in Jira allows teams to visualize and manage their work efficiently. Here's how to set it up. Navigate to Jira board creation. Log into Jira and navigate to your project. Click on the Boards drop-down menu and select Create Board. Choose Board Type. Select Kanban board as the board type. Kanban boards are ideal for visualizing work in progress and optimizing workflow efficiency. Select Filters and Projects. Choose the project and set filters to determine which issues should appear on the board. You can filter by issue type, status, assignee, or other criteria. Configure columns. Define columns that represent the stages of your workflow. Customize column names and add additional columns if needed. Set swim lanes. Configure swim lanes to further categorize and organize issues. Swim lanes can be based on assignees, issue types, priorities, or custom queries. Customize card layout. Customize the appearance of cards on the board. Include key details such as issue summary, assignee, priority, and due date directly on the cards. Save and share board. Once configured, save the board. Share the board URL with team members to collaborate effectively and keep everyone aligned on task statuses. Use board features. Utilize board features like drag and drop functionality to move issues between columns, inline editing for quick updates, and quick filters to focus on specific sets of issues.